Ever wish you could bring the night sky indoors? My name is Kate with WTI, and this is the POCoco Star Projector. Now this will transform your ceiling into a stunning galaxy experience. This projector is so easy to use. You just pick your disc, pull out the little holder, place it in gently, and you're ready to project it. It has a nice gentle rotation that you can turn on or off. What really blew me away is just how realistic the projections are. So you can see the Milky Way, gorgeous galaxies, the moon. It's so detailed you can even see the craters. It's really great to use as a night light. It's a soft lighting, and then it has a built-in timer so it can turn off automatically when you fall asleep. You can choose between different projection discs. It comes with two, but they sell all sorts of different packs. So we have one with the moon, but you can really explore their storefront. You're going to be blown away by all the options. You can also use it cordless, so you can take it anywhere. If you're shopping for a gift that's maybe a little unique, or you're decorating a bedroom, maybe helping your child sleep alone at night, I think this is a really good option, and it'll just bring a beautiful night sky a little closer, and that's my point of view.